Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome to the channel. Today you all, we are participating in the Warm and Cozy Leaves Open Collaboration hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and we have several co-hosts which includes Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Barbie Daily, Rural Life, Decorating with Jazzy Green, May's Design Corner, At Home with Lisa, which is myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Z9 Designs, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and it's Ashley Coaxum. So you guys, feel free to jump in on this open collaboration. Just remember to use YouTube etiquette. Also, you will go into the playlist and we can watch your videos as well as you can watch our videos as well too. So in this collaboration, the rules are to decorate any area of your home and add fall leaves. So this is what I decided to do. I decided to do a DIY leaf garland. That's what I am doing today. That's what I am showing you guys today. But I will be adding this piece in my home, in my decor, but you're going to have to wait for the fall home tour video. So make sure you have those notification bells on so you know when that video will be dropping, which it will be dropping on the 28th of this month, which is September. So you guys, I just showed you all what I am using in this video. I am using some jute twine. I am using some fall leaves. I have a pair of scissors and I have my handy dandy glue gun. So y'all, let's get into this video. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to leave you guys to some music while I create this DIY fall garland. You all, here's the reveal. Here is my fall leaf garland. Y'all, this was so quick and easy. It turned out nicely. All I did was lay the leaves down and added the jute with the hot glue gun, and then I just overlapped another leaf on it, and yeah, there you have it. Now here's a tip to do it a different way. You could just do a hole punch in the leaf and then just slide it on, but I didn't want to do it that way because I didn't want all the leaves to like be ended up together. So if you do decide to do it that way, just make sure you have something like some type of partition on your jute twine so the leaves don't be on top of each other where they can spread out. So I wanted mine to be spread out like this. Well, love bugs, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you gave me a big thumbs up. It's not too late. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me some comments down below. And guess what? At Home with Lisa. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next. Don't forget the fall home tour.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle.